If you're a heating air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what can you learn from playing video games or games that you get tickets from, and why does it matter? This is a super important question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and a perfect day to talk about you. I'm coming to you live from Washington, D.C. Now, I am at a arcade game place where you can go in and play games. And what I want to liken it to is the sales process. And sometimes salespeople, technicians, try too hard to get leads. It's like a game of whack-a-mole. You got to know where to put the right amount of pressure. And it's okay to use a slight amount of pressure in the right spots because you do need to ask people if they want to buy. But beating people over the head and saying you have to buy today takes away their free will, and it causes a lot of problems for you. It actually causes people to tell you no. And this is why you should join HVAC Tech Secrets. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. So I grabbed some video tonight of me playing this game where you got to smash a pylon, and then it gives you tickets based upon how hard you hit the button. Now the thing is it takes delicacy to hit this button. It's not about smashing it as hard as you can. And some salespeople, some sales trainers, some technicians, some technician trainer will tell you, you gotta beat people over their head. You have to make them say yes. You got to use the click whirl technique, which is to get people to say yes a bunch of times. But the problem is you, me, we don't like being manipulated. We don't like having people say, this is what you have to do. There's a little part of us that says no. And what you need to know is if you are doing this wrong, then you are going to cause somebody to tell you no, and it's not going to be a good thing for you. I actually grabbed you some video of me playing this whack-a-mole game that you should definitely check out, because I'm going to insert it. I'm going to stitch it in right here. So there you go. I hope you saw this mistake that I see salespeople make, sales trainers make, coaches make, just about in every industry. Let's just push people harder, make them buy, try to get them to buy, and at the end of the day, you don't win the prize, which is a closed deal. You don't get the tickets. You don't get the moolah, or the money as I like to refer to it as. And that's what you need to know. Take your time with your buyer, and sometimes the answer is no, and sometimes you have to work with them to get them to the point where they're going to say yes. And it doesn't always require crazy pressure. Like maybe one time out of 100, more pressure than normal. But having a good conversation and knowing what to say and making things comfortable is far more important than high pressure to close a deal. Yes, I said it, one time out of 100, you can apply pressure. Maybe two, three times out of 100. There you go. You got one of two things to do from here. Geese. You got one of two things to do from here. Find the subscribe button, click on it every time I send out a video. You'll get an update that says HVAC Technician Sales Secrets and another fantastic video. You should check it out, which you should. We'll see you soon. Or hit follow.